my name is Amanda.
Hi, my name is Alyssa.
And today we're going to be making a rainbow cake! The ingredients that you will need is cake mix, eggs, oil, water, food coloring, which is blue, green, red, and yellow. The equipment you're going to need is a large bowl, a whisk, a spatula, oil cooking spray, a pan, a cooling rack, 6 disposable cups, and forks. First step, preheat your oven to whatever the back of your box says. Mine says 375 degrees. Second step, spray or grease a circular, rectangular, or square pan, like I did. Step 3, pour the mix, eggs, oil, and water into a large bowl and mix till well combined. You can either use a whisk to do this or a hand mixer, and that's the cake mix.
We kind of just put this in the cup.
Yeah, it's less dishes. And whisk it all together. Till well combined. Or you can use a blender, but mixing it by hand is better. And sometimes you have to get a spatula because the cake mix at the bottom stays. And yeah.
So we're just mixing the eggs, the oil, the water, and the cake mix together. Mix that pretty good.
Take that. But you have to circle it like this. And if you're using like a hand mixer or like an electric stand mixer, go under like this. And we're using yellow cake mix, so we're gonna be using yellow cake mix, so we're gonna be using more food coloring than we're supposed to. So does that look well combined, Alyssa?
Pretty much.
Okay. Step 4. Pour the batter evenly into the 6 cups. And you can use a ladle or an ice cream scooper or whatever you feel like.
So these are kind of just like foam cups.
They're disposable.
You just get them from the dollar store.
And I'm going to be using my hand mini ice cream scooper. And you make sure it's even, so you do 1 and then you do 2 and go on and on and on. And this is a recipe for cakes, or you could be making cupcakes with these. Do the exact same thing, but pour them in paper liners.
So just like fill it up like if you would have that, just like fill it up like halfway. Well, no, pretty
like
full,
3/4.
Yeah, like not like the full cup, like overflowing, but pretty much that. Yeah.
And make sure it's distributed evenly, but don't worry, you don't have to be a perfectionist. Just press it more than press the red button over there.
That's the music.
Sorry, I just like.
Oh.
Sorry, I dropped the cup. Yeah. And then, since there's a little bit left, you just go again.
So yeah, pretty much. How much cups are there?
6 cups.
Yeah, we have.
Rainbow colors: red, orange, yellow.
So the 6 cups are already filled up. Well, yeah, 6.
Red, orange, yellow,
Bag.
green, purple. What do you call them like that? Okay, so get that out of there. Now, put the food color in your thing.
Kind of messy.
My box says you're supposed to use way too much colors. Don't use that much. The food coloring comes in little bottles like this.
Blue.
We have blue, red, yellow, and green. Now, in 1 cup, you put a few drops, and that's my oven saying come get some cake into me. You have some red food coloring, and you put 3 drops in at a time, and mix
In one of the cups.
In
And
one of the
mix it
cups.
together with a plastic fork.
a disposable fork.
Yeah.
Same thing. But be careful with a foam cup because they break easily, don't they, Alyssa?
Mhm.
And you
How much drops?
what?
How much drops?
Like put in 3 at a time. But this is
Well, it's kind of just like
it's
turning
like
up
pink.
pinkish.
So you're supposed to add
With my sweater right here.
more color. A few more drops. And be careful. This will stain the clothes, your counter, everything.
So she's doing red right now.
And then next is orange. Orange is 1 drop of red and like 2 or 3 drops of yellow. And green.
Oh, so that's kind of the color.
She's just making a video right now, Laura. Tomorrow, can you speak now or not?
No.
No, she's not even making a video doing the opening, Laura. She can do it today. Okay, fine.
And that's how the orange looks like. Red orange. Now I'm going to be doing yellow. Do green after. You have to show them how to do green on you. It's just green. You have to show them how to do and then mix. And we're using yellow cake mix. So we don't need a yellow. And now next is green. Next is green.
So we have green and then put 3 drops.
And at a time. And it can be whatever color you want.
Spirit in the forest. So this is like a picnic, guys. Nice family meeting.
So, just mix all the colors up in the disposable cups with the disposable forks. Well, you can use like metal forks if you want, but
too much cleaning up.
and you would break maybe the cups from the sharpness. So you're better off with disposable ones.
Yeah, and try not to use foam ones, but these were the only ones that we had on hand.
And then that's the green.
And now
It's like a minty green, which is really cool.
sorry, my cup broke, so now lucky I have an extra cup on hand. It's on the side. Yeah. I have a cup right here. I'm just gonna
So we're kind of just using like a metal cup, well, glass
cup
Yeah.
and mix.
We don't really have any like more phones.
And they break really easily. That's what I'm saying in
That's a
Cookie
Cookie Monster.
Now, to make
So yeah,
purple,
blue, green, yellow,
to
orange.
make purple,
We're making purple.
you
That's my
put
favorite color.
1 drop of red and 2 or 3 drops of blue. And then if it's not turning purple, add more drops of red.
Like maybe 2 or 3 more drops of red, so then
Yeah.
make the color purple. Because ours is kind of turning a little bit blue right now.
Yeah, you're supposed to add the same amount of blue as you
Oh,
did
there we
red.
go. Yeah.
And you can make light purple, dark purple, And
So you want like 3 drops of blue, 3 drops of red, something like that,
purple looks like that.
which is really
Okay,
cool.
now next step, you get your pan and you start with red. And this is step 6. Yeah, 6.
So she's pouring it in a big pan right now. And what she did, she had a napkin and rubbed it on butter, and then she like,
Or you can use grease.
well, yeah, grease, butter, something like that, and rub it on the bottom, so it would make it like stick.
And then shake the pan left to right and up and down.
So it like spread out, so because we want to make the rainbow, so we have to put all the colors in.
And then do orange.
We have a pretty big pan here, so yeah.
It's a 23 centimeter, which I don't know how much is.
So you want like a pretty big one too, so that'd
It's
be
one
better.
that you put like cheesecakes in.
Or maybe like a little bigger.
And then again, shake left to right and up and down. And it should just slide. Right? Just slide in your pan. And then pour in the yellow.
So far we have the red, orange, and yellow. Couldn't remember.
And some people have thin spatulas, so you can use a spatula.
Still have to add the purple, the blue,
And the green.
The green, yeah.
Add the green.
Oh, that looks really cool.
And then try to get as much out as you can. You want it.
And don't worry about washing the disposable cups and forks, because
They're disposable. You throw them in the garbage.
well, you don't have to do the forks. You can go for parties sometimes.
And it looks really kind of weird now.
Rainbow.
That's how it looks like. And then we still have the blue and the purple to go. What? That's not purple. That's finished. That's the baking soup.
So we pretty much added all the colors.
But purple.
But purple, yeah. Purple's all alone.
And then the last color is the purple. Yay, purple.
This is gonna be really messy though, so do it somewhere where your parents wouldn't like freak out.
Sorry, she says really weird things sometimes. And then you shake the pan, and that's how it looks like. And then you bake it in your ovens for however long you're supposed to. Ours is 30 to 40 minutes. Then you take it out and cool it on a cooling rack on your countertop for 10 minutes. Then 20 minutes in the fridge. Then you frost it and decorate it with sprinkles. So again, bye. My name's Amanda.
Bye, my name's Alyssa.
And like, subscribe, and comment our video. Bye.